Yo, so man, I'll on this one. Yeah. No, life changes, man. Yo. There'll never be another me. Another me. There'll never be another me. Another me. There'll never be another me. Another me. There'll never be another me. Yo, another me. Picture me rolling in my prime drop bands. I got no love for these niggas, they don't need to be friends. They got me on the surveillance, that's what somebody is telling. And the bearing so, but I ain't the one. Tell it the wanna be another number. I got a sucking ganga freak that keep on going under. The pedorales wanna see me dead. Niggas put price for my head. Now I got Rottweilers by my bed. I pay them less. Now how will I live? Will God forgive me for all the darts nigga did? To pit kicks, one's life to live. It is hard to be positive when niggas sitting at your crib. Yo, there'll never be another me. Another me. There'll never be another me. Another me. There'll never be another me. Another me. There'll never be another me. Yo, another me. We call them sleeping, the bad and eyes niggas creeping. This how we do it every weekend. I dump a madness. It's time to count the proper CPO. I got a bun spot. I got my sipping, so you can get the females. We got a side with us, so inflicting the street sales. Now we satisfied, cause the pocket got swollen. We never be the same, no matter how the game will change. You can search, but I know that you'll never find. You can try, but I know that you can't run the time. In your heart and your mind, I know we'll never die. There will never be another me. There will never be another me. Yo, there will never be another me. Another me. There will never be another me. Another me. There will never be another me. Another me. There'll never be another me. Another me. Yo, so man, I'll on this one. Shout out to Tupac Shakur. Yo, I come again, Daba.